If you need to convert a vertical video into a landscape video in CapCut, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether you want to repurpose TikToks, Instagram Reels, Shorts, or any other vertical clip for YouTube, presentations, or widescreen publishing, this is a simple workflow that works really well. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's start by opening your project in CapCut. Once your vertical video is on the timeline, the first thing you need to do is change the project's aspect ratio. Look directly underneath or to the right of the preview window, depending on your version of CapCut. You should see a ratio drop-down menu, and it will usually say Original by default. Click that menu and switch it to 16:9. That instantly changes your canvas to a landscape layout. Now you'll probably notice black bars on the sides of your vertical video. That is totally normal. At this point, you have two different ways to handle the sides, and the best option depends on the look you want. Option 1 is to fill the screen by cropping and zooming. This is the cleanest choice if you want the final video to look full screen and professional. To do that, click on your video clip in the timeline so it is selected. Then go to the top right settings panel and open the video tab, then basic. Here, you'll find the scale slider. Drag that slider to the right until your vertical video fills the entire wide frame. After that, click and drag the video inside the preview window to reposition the subject and make sure the main action stays centered. This method does crop the edges, so it works best when the important content is already in the middle of the shot. Option 2 is to add a blurred background if you don't want to crop anything important. This is a great choice when you want to keep the full vertical video visible while making the overall project fit a landscape frame. To do this, first click on an empty space in the timeline so no clip is selected. Then look at the top right properties panel, which should change from clip settings to project or canvas settings. Find the canvas section, click the drop-down menu, and choose blur. After that, select your preferred blur intensity. CapCut will automatically fill the black bars with a blurred version of your footage, which gives you a much cleaner and more polished widescreen look. If you want a quick recommendation, use the blurred background for talking head videos, tutorials, and content where you don't want to lose any visual detail. Use the crop and zoom method when the subject is centered and you want the video to fully match a widescreen format without extra styling. Once you are happy with the layout, it's time to export. Click the export button in the top right corner. Before finalizing, double check that your resolution is set to 1080p or higher so you keep the video looking sharp in landscape format. If your original footage is high quality, this step helps preserve clarity and avoid a blurry final result. And that's it. You've now converted a vertical video into a landscape video in CapCut. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look. And now you can repurpose your vertical content for more platforms and more viewing formats. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more quick editing guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.